All right, this one's for Emily, the engineer. I was telling her, I can't move this. Like, it's too heavy. I gotta wait till I get a friend with a tractor. She was like, you got a truck, right? Some chain pulls, come along, a winch, get it done. Stop making excuses. So I'm gonna make do with what I have. It's one of the concepts in my book is make and do. I'm gonna anchor this brace in place, and then I'm gonna find a way to get my spool of wire down to the other end. Let's go. All right, let's do it. Okay, now we're on that. Oh, no, come on. There you go. Oh, well, let's try it. Okay. So it'll work. Here we go. God. All right, we're really getting stuff done. Here's the plan. I'm going to go down to the end. I'm going to fasten the fence to the post. I might need some ratchet straps. I'll grab those first, and then I'll come down here and I'll try and tension the bottom of the fence first. My guess is with a ratchet strap to the truck, and then I'll tension the top and attach it. So here we go. Hey guys.
Where'd you find it? Fence. A fence?
Once I get it stretched, you guys can help me nail it in, okay?
Yeah.
Thanks. So I'm gonna get it on this post, let me get it on here, and I'm gonna pull it tight with the truck, and then I'll get it flush against here, and then we just gotta nail it up. Yeah, no, you can do that right now. And then when we're done, we can bring it over and around. I think it takes a special kind of person to do stuff like this, because I woke up this morning, I was like, wow, I'm kind of sore still from my planting project. My hands are all ripped up, and I was like, I'll just take it easy today. Yet here I am. But the weather's good, and we're gonna keep working. It's perfect. We got a slight breeze. There's like no bugs on me. It doesn't get better than this. There's nothing I'd rather be doing. So I have a 2-ton come along, which I think is overkill, but I'm gonna hook it to the back of my truck and we'll try and get this tensioned. I'm thinking I was gonna do bottom and then top, but I might actually go middle, then bottom, then top. I'm gonna kind of just see what happens. I don't know what it is, but tailgate makes just such a good tripod. All right, so I got to get this thing moved. So heavy though, so heavy. Could use the truck to move it, but that seems like cheating. Oh, I'm still attached to this roll. Okay, so I got to get my angle grinder. Oh, it's such a mess back here. How do I want to do this? Yeah. I'm going to have to cut this spool, move this, and cut this. All right, so figured it out. I got to move this, and then I got to cut that. And I can't use my angle grinder, so I think I'm going to wreck my hands more. Or I just need to find a longer extension cord. I might do that. It's sharp. Ah, get it. Okay, gotta cut this fence. Go Team Crocs. Why am I wearing Crocs while doing farm work? Because it's just silly enough. Because if I put Crocs on, I think to myself, I can't be working that hard, it's a little trick. And then I go out there and I work really hard. Well, the good news is this is so thick. Very, very thick. I can't cut it with my pliers. Even my lineman pliers. So I just have a little hacksaw and I support it with two hands and it cuts quick. Oh yeah, they're working on fencing like a dork. I can't even cut this with pliers. I have to use a freaking hacksaw. Oh, and it's 8 feet tall and like 1/8 of a mile long. Oy vey. Anyway, hopefully I don't have any injuries. My fence isn't tough. My saw is weak. Gosh darn it. Some people play tennis. Some people play tetanus. Getting there. Okay, talk about pressure testing. I've got about 1,000 pounds on this line. I got at least like 8 feet to pick up. So I'm gonna still try and stretch it. Oh, it was so close. And then my ratchet strap broke. Okay, so I need something stronger. I think I've got just the thing. I can screw this up way better now that it's not tension though. We've got so much weight on here. We've got over 1,000 pounds. I know that because I broke a 1,000-pound ratchet strap. We're getting so close. I got like another foot, and then I think we'll be good. I don't know if we'll make it a foot though. We're gonna try. There's more than enough slack in the top here. Like, look at that bow. I just got to handle all my material right. Truck bed, banjo. Because I had to fold it over to get, I lost like 4 feet of fence. I might not have enough to round the corner, which would be a bummer, but not the end of the world. I'm getting so close. All right, look at this. We're getting so close. My hands are so fatigued I can barely hold the hammer, but we're gonna get it done. Like, I keep dropping it, but we'll get there. All right. Oh, covered in fly. Okay, let's see what happens. What I want to happen is nothing. I need a break. I did it. And now I need a break. Make do with what you have. I thought I needed a tractor to get this fence done. All I needed was a lot of ingenuity, some patience, some tow straps, ratchet straps. and a can-do attitude. Make space, make time, make do, make peace, make money. Listed below. All right, my friends, if you made it this far, please drop a like and subscribe. It was another My Daily Life is Exercise video. Check that out.